what it is, man. Sounds like someone's like punching wires or something. So I want to record, man. Sounds like someone's on like noise control, witchcraft or something. So I'm saying I'm controlling. I'm gonna say like whatever adds up to everything, adding up to everything, adding up to. The same day when someone stole my stuff, bought someone with a chainsaw on the floor and all that. Okay, do you ever think everything's just all staged anyways? Just saying, alright? We basically just have this on, so if you can hear any extra baloney, well, this is my court case. Right? Noise pollution, harassment, gang stalking, and call it hate crime. Single car try to run my air over. I'm almost thinking this is how I got my ears blasted because some monkey thought it was a good idea to put all my stuff on the other side of the city. So how about that? Nah, I never needed to be on the completely other side of the city. It's almost how you can kill my mom. I'll be like trying to like get back to my house, save my mom's life almost. There. Save my mom's ears from you dropping something in my mom's ears or whatever. Supposed to be right near me. It's like we didn't want me to expose that, but I just wanted to make sure people don't want to say, "Oh, we crazy." Like, nah, comes in the exact same time, tries to leave the whole thing. Doesn't matter where we're going. Pretends to have a leaf blower. Tries to be in a group too. No, I don't think these people are worth my time, but they'll definitely all in a group. Am I being rude? What do you think? Am I the one rude? Are these just noises in my foot? Because nobody believes that anymore. It's not gonna be long, alright? Too much attention, so cut it off. Saying, like, it's just kind of like trying to punch a wall or something.